Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today cooking is super easy and quick. I'm sure many of you will love it. It's fried noodle but no frying involved. First, boil a moderate amount of water. Prepare 120 grams dried noodles. I'm using German dried noodles. It takes 7 minutes of boiling time. Different noodles have different lengths of time to be boiled. So just read the instruction on the package before you boil it. While waiting for the water, we can prepare the sauce. Get a medium-sized bowl. Pour into the bowl a tablespoon of soya sauce, a tablespoon of mushroom sauce, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Some coarse white pepper. Mix well with the bamboo chopsticks. I have prepared my fried ginger sauce. I made it myself and I always have it in my kitchen. Meanwhile, water is boiling. Drop noodles into the boiling water. Oops. Stir it occasionally to avoid them stick on the base. Setting timer to 7 minutes. Seven minutes is over. Switch off the stove. I'm going to straight away put them into the sauce bowl I've prepared just now. Drop a bit of the noodle water into the bowl will be nicer, so it's not too dry. You may use a shifter to filter out the water. Mix them evenly so that they are coated nicely with the sauce. Friends, you may top your fried noodles with anything you have. I like to go with my homemade fried ginger sesame oil because I love ginger. Wow, they are looking so good. So friends, today I've shown you how to make a quick, easy and delicious fried noodle. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks much for watching. Bye.